to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to dive in deep and talk about two amazing Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition and high demand. Now, before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, Passive Income with Nora, go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be notified of all our new videos. We do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP keywords, low competition, high demand, as well as other passive income streams that I'm involved in, including making money writing for Medium and Vocal, and also print on demand. So if you're interested in these kind of side hustles, income reveal and strategies and tips, go ahead and subscribe for more details. So let's get started with our first keyword for the day, and our first keyword is Father's Day activity book for kids. I'm using two Chrome extensions to analyze the analytics section of each of the keywords in today's video. First of all, I'm using Self-Publishing Titans, which is right here at the top, giving us all this beautiful juicy analytics, as well as Amazon Scout Pro, which just reveals the niche score in terms of right here. Now I can go ahead and click on this for more details, and it will give you a quick overview of the keyword, the books that are the top books that are selling, how much they're selling per month, and so forth. So that's if I want to dive in deep. Both of these Chrome extensions are free, and they can be accessed using the Chrome store. And I've also included more details on a video that I talked about the 4 Chrome extensions that I'm using. Now let's dive into the keyword, the first one, which is Father's Day activity book for kids, and we have a keyword niche score given by Self-Publishing Titans, which is number 44, and a total result of 1,318 and an average beautiful bestseller rank of 312,085. Total reviews are average of 1,337, and the price is perfect, indicating that the majority of these books are low content and also independently published by Amazon KDP publishers such as us, and the average price is $8.23. Now, given by Self-Publishing Titans, we have all these analytics right here, and also as a indication and as a validation, also we are using Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension, which is giving us a number 9, indicating that this is a great niche, and we can see the green light right over here at the circle at the bottom. So Father's Day activity book for kids, there are many books that are selling under this niche with beautiful BSR scores, such as this one sitting at 18,620. We also have other ones as well, and there is a combination of activity books and journals even ranking for this keyword. So do keep in mind, you can use this keyword as part of your title, your subtitle, or if you are creating anything to do with Father's Day, anything to do with gifts for fathers, such as a journal or a coloring book or even a coupon book, you can insert this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots and get your book ranking for this keyword as well. And here we've got joke book, Don't Laugh Challenge joke book, Dad versus Kids, yet you can still see this book showing under this keyword right here. It is not an activity book, it is a joke book, yet they've managed to rank under this keyword. So don't underestimate the potential of ranking using the 7 keyword slots. They're very, very powerful. Use powerful keywords in your 7 slots that are allowed, and you will rank your book even much more higher as well. Now, this is a Father's Day coloring activity book, which is connected straight away to this one. Now, this has been recently published in April 2023, so we'll just give it a time to rank and get the sales up and increase the BSR. This one right here is fill in the blank book prompts, which is a Dad, I wrote a book about you. So this is kind of a activity book, but it's more about to do with prompts and filling in the blanks as well. Yet it is selling really, really well. And keep in mind, the cover for this book is extremely minimalistic. It's extremely straightforward and direct as well. You can easily create a cover book that is quite similar. Now remember, when we are looking at the examples, we are not intending to copy, we're intending to seek inspiration, see what's working, and then make our own unique twist to that, and always aim to deliver value. Add extra value, over deliver, and your book's going to rank up really, really high, and it's going to attract these wonderful loyal customers. So this book is sitting at 23,711, and I love the 5-star reviews right over here. 77 5-star reviews, amazing. And we've got here a couple of other books as well. So this was the first keyword, Father's Day activity book for kids, and you can go ahead and go to Creative Fabrica. You can get a link for a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica. You'll find over there KDP interiors that you can go ahead and download, and you can be able to upload as a PDF to Canva and edit as you want. Edit, take out elements, add in elements, insert a how to use page, for example, insert a page to do with doodling or some line sheets in between, anything to make it unique, anything that makes it different than the original interior that you've downloaded from Creative Fabrica, and then go ahead and re-upload to Amazon KDP. It would do just as fine. So first keyword is Father's Day activity book for kids. Self-Publishing Titans gave it a keyword score of 44. The second keyword for today's video is Father's Day Bible lesson, and we have a keyword niche score of 62. Absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to go ahead and ignore this bottom right here, the bottom left corner by Amazon Scout Pro. It gave us a niche score of 4, so I'm going to go ahead and ignore that for the reason that all the other analytics here, analytical factors, are indicating that this is a perfect, great, profitable keyword right over here because of its super low bestseller rank sitting at 58,765, because of its total results being under 2,000, which is total results of 1,675, and also the really high green light right here, 62, and the average price is also really good, nice here, $10.75, which will, if we price our book like that or a similar price, it will really result in good royalties. So what we are aiming here is to create a Father's Day book that has Bible lessons. So it could be a prompt journal, it could be for example, a top 30 Bible lesson for dads, for fathers, and each page has an overview of these wonderful, beautiful, powerful lessons, and then quotes maybe, or anything to do with Bible and the top lessons that need to be learned. Now, if you are not a Bible follower and you do not have any knowledge about creating similar books, I would highly recommend you to embark on other niches and other topics besides that, and leave this niche for people who are really deep into studying the Bible and lessons to do with that. So we've talked about the top 2 low competition Amazon KDP keywords for the day. The first one is Father's Day activity book for kids, and the second one is Father's Day Bible lessons with a keyword niche score of 62. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.